Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pluto TV on Smart TV step by step clearly. To activate Pluto TV on your Smart TV, start by turning on your Smart TV. Navigate to the App Store on your Smart TV. Search for the Pluto TV app using the search function. Select the Pluto TV app from the search results. Download and install the Pluto TV app on your Smart TV. Once the installation is complete, open the Pluto TV app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Look for the option to sign in or activate your device. Select the Sign In or Activation option. A unique activation code will appear on your screen. Using a computer or smartphone, open a web browser. Go to the Pluto TV activation page by entering the URL provided on your TV screen. Enter the activation code displayed on your Smart TV. After entering the code, click on the Submit button. You may be prompted to log in with your Pluto TV account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account if necessary. Once logged in, return to your Smart TV. The activation process will complete automatically. You should now see the Pluto TV interface on your Smart TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite content on Pluto TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.